Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your DHL account. To log into your DHL account, you'll first need to visit the DHL website. So in order to do that, open up a web browser of your preference and type in dhl.com inside the URL box. You will then find yourself in the official website for DHL. From the main homepage, go to the top right hand corner and click on Customer Login Portals drop-down. To log into your DHL Express, click on My DHL Plus. Now on the next page, click on the Login button at the top right once again. In the pop-up, enter your email address and your password associated with your DHL account. If you don't have an account yet, you can begin registering by clicking on the Register Now button. If you don't remember your password for your account, click on Forgot/Reset Password link. Finally, after filling in the details, click Login, which will then log you in to your DHL account. So that's how you will be able to log into DHL in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.